Hey there, it's Dan X Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Welcome back to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs, where we make legal matters straightforward and accessible for you and your business. Today, we're going to walk through the steps on how to form a California nonprofit. If you got a passion for making a difference and want to start a nonprofit, you're in the right place. So let's break it down into simple terms. This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level. First, let's talk about why you might want to form a nonprofit. Nonprofits are organizations set up to provide a public benefit. They can be eligible for tax-exempt status, meaning they don't pay federal or state income taxes. This can be a huge advantage when you are trying to make a big impact with limited resources. So, how do you get started? Here are the key steps to forming a nonprofit in California. Number 1, choose a nonprofit name. Your nonprofit needs a unique name that isn't already in use by another corporation in California. To make sure, to check the availability on the California Secretary of State website. Number 2, file the Articles of Incorporation. This is the document that officially creates your nonprofit. You'll file it with the California Secretary of State. In your Articles of Incorporation, you'll need to include the nonprofit's name, purpose, and other basic information. Number 3, appoint a board of directors. Nonprofits in California need at least 3 directors who are not related to each other. Your board will oversee the nonprofit and make important decisions. Number 4, draft bylaws. Bylaws are the rules for how your nonprofit will operate. They cover things like how board meetings are conducted, how directors are elected, and other essential governance rules. Hold an initial board meeting. This meeting, your board will adopt the bylaws, elect officers, and take care of other initial business. Number 6, get an EIN. An employer identification number is like a social security number for your nonprofit. You'll need it to open a bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can get an EIN from the IRS website. Number 7, file for federal exempt status. To be recognized as a tax-exempt organization under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, you'll need to file Form 1023 or Form 1023-EZ with the IRS. This step is crucial for your nonprofit to receive tax-deductible donations. Number 8, file for California tax-exempt status. After you get your federal tax-exempt status, you'll need to apply for a state tax exemption with the California Franchise Tax Board using Form 3500 or 3500A. Number 9, register your charity. Your nonprofit will be soliciting donations. You must register with the California Attorney General's Registry of Charitable Trusts. Number 10, ongoing requirements. Once you form your nonprofit and is up and running, there are annual requirements to keep your status, such as annual filing reports, maintaining profit records, and ensuring compliance with both state and federal regulations. Forming a nonprofit might seem like a lot of steps, but take one step at a time and you'll get there. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Consulting with an attorney can help you ensure that everything is right from the start. Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.